The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak sao pun rewlak. Just wow.
Ke Voice of the People Party VPP ke lapan pau ke Jingkyrshan bahkan yo ban bat biang yakasuki MP hal Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ling ba ke election MP siteng samoy yakaba ke Election Commission of India kampat penbena tarek baru kurtong ke parti u Dr. Batskhem merbo ulaong bakseng Pynleit Jingmut hakabor jong ki seng san hima ki be khun Pyrshah Henry ke Shaniah hakabor jong ke parti ke Jingtrekam hakisnong di constituency bat ke Jingkyrshan jong ki Paidbah. Ulakan Paidbah ki Jingkyrshan bagi jingwan yakun jong kurtong jong National People's Party NPP u Dr. DRL Nonglat upolong ru President jong Khasi Author Society kan long ke jing e ka bakraw ya ka VPP. Ulang maka VPP kan beteng ban penyat ya ke jing alap election kat kum kerukom trekam jong ka party bat ke jing adai bat ki Paidbah hakarukom ka bat janai. Kini ke election MP siteng samoy sa Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka lockdown kam hadien ke jingklat no jong Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon hau benai rempang mentau snam. Hakawai pat kaliang halor ke jing ai ke North Eastern Hill University nihu ya ke no objection certificate bat yakun ya ke election ulapan pau ya ke jing sngokeman halor ke rai bat ai kublai ya ki bor penyat jong ke school ba.
I saw in the news and I saw also the briefing made by the Vice Chancellor that the Executive Committee has decided to grant the NOC for me to contest the by-election. So I'm very happy that ultimately the NOC has been granted, and I thank the authority of NEHU for taking this initiative, and we look forward to have the election. As I said, we concentrate on our own politics and we know our own strength. We work on that, so we believe that we will come up victoriously in this election. We know our own politics, we know our own issues, and we know our own strength, our own strategies, and therefore I don't see any threat. And as I said, we are confident of winning the election, and we look forward. Supporters of VPP, they support on the basis of understanding the principles of the party, understanding the policies and programs of the party, and also the commitment of the party towards clean politics, and also taking the interest of the people of the state. And on the basis of that, I feel and I believe that not only we are able to retain the support base, but we will be able to increase also the number of the supporters of the party. Definitely, the party has grown tremendously if you compare it to 2021 when we started. And in a matter of few years, we have been able to win elections and to also take the issues of the people forward. And therefore, I would say that facts themselves speak about the credibility and also the strength of the voice. We are not looking at the number of the other candidates. We are not looking who contests, who does not contest. We are looking at our own politics. Those claims are exaggerated, and we also, I would say, we are able to attract new supporters, but we don't want to say and to exaggerate a thing. Let the result of the MP by-election speak for itself.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jingmantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya